Good morning, class. As we have started with chapter 5, nouns gender, and we have done exercise A, B, C, D, E, and F. Now, today we are going to do the last exercise in that is exercise G. This is the last exercise of chapter 5, nouns gender, that is we are going to do today. This exercise is on page number 30. So first of all, take out your language books, open to page number 30 in your English language books. Now what you all have to do is, we have been given a help box below the heading. First of all, you have to read that help box and then find out the common gender. As I explained you, that common gender includes both masculine and feminine. So you have to take out the common gender from that column, and then we have to make sentence with that common gender only. So open to page number 30 in your books and let us begin with the exercise G in our books. Today, as I have already told you, that we are going to do exercise G. This exercise G is on page number 30. So in your language books, open to page number 30. Now in this, what you all have to do is circle the common gender nouns given in the box and make sentences using each. Now what you all have to do, I hope you all remember what are common genders. Common genders includes both masculine and feminine gender. That means it includes both male and female gender. So when they are including both male and female gender, they are common gender nouns. So what you all have to do, we have been given a help box over here. You have to first find out the common genders and then circle it out, and then using that word we have to make sentence on it. First word is peahen. Peahen is a feminine gender, so it's not the common gender. Kitten. Kitten is the cat baby. We can't say that it is a male or a female gender. So circle it as it is a common gender. Lady, feminine gender. Baby. Baby, we can't say that it is a masculine or a feminine gender. So circle out baby. Now goose. Goose is the feminine gender, so leave it. Dancer. Dancer can be common. We can't say that is the masculine or the feminine one. Piglet. It's the baby of the pig. So we can't say that it's a masculine or the feminine gender, so circle it. Member. Member can also be common because it is not including any male gender. It includes both the male and the female genders. Leader. Circle leader also, because leader can be male or female. Mother. Mother is the feminine gender. Niece is also the feminine. Servant is the common one because we can't say it's a male servant or the female servant. Uncle, masculine, that is the male gender. People. People can also be common because it does not because it includes both male and female. And bride. Bride is the feminine gender. So I hope you all have got how you have to circle the common gender. And then we have written the words which we have circled over here. We have written them over here. The words which we have circled over here, I have written it over here. Now we have put a small dash over here because I am going to make sentences based on these words only. Now first word which I have written is kitten. That is the first word which we have circled also. So the sentence for kitten is, I saw a brown kitten sitting on the side of the road. This is the sentence which we have formed from the word kitten. Now let us move to the second one. Second one is baby. So the sentence for this will be, the baby was asleep in her cradle. So we have done the second one also. Now let us move to third one. Third one is dancer. So Michael Jackson was a very good dancer. The full stop at the end. Now let us move to fourth one. Fourth word is piglet. It's the pig baby. Pig baby is called piglet. Fifth word is member. The answer for this is the main member of our school was absent on Tuesday. The full stop at the end. Now sixth one is leader. Now sentence for this will be leader of our team is very polite. Put a full stop at the end of this sentence. Now seventh one is servant. Answer for this is our servant was on leave for 2 days. Put a full stop at the end. Now let us move to eighth one. Eighth one is people. So 40 people attended the meeting. Put a full stop at the end of this sentence. Now here we complete with exercise G. That means we have completed with chapter 5 nouns gender. So what you all have to do, you have to write this exercise in your book only. Don't write anything in your notebooks. Just copy the same as I have written. Homework for you all is to, you have to learn exercise D of chapter 5 only. Thank you.